You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. Postgraduate trainees of Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, NEA, are on hunger strike since 26 November. The trainees allege that they have not been paid PGT stipend for 1 year. They said that we are on hunger strike because we did not get any satisfactory reply from the competent authority regarding our stipend, affiliation and guide allocation, which are very important matters affecting our lives, although we had contacted through proper channels applications many times before, but we did not get any reply in this regard and we were forced to go on hunger strike. The same trainees told that they are on hunger strike but there is no one to listen to their demands because the director and deputy director of the institute are both in Delhi and the person who has been given the responsibility of the institute is also not coming to the institute. It is also being seen that the health of many trainees sitting on hunger strike has started deteriorating and they are being given medical help.
हमारी मांगे हमारी मांगे हमारी मांगे हमारी मांगे we want
कहूँगा कि हमारे कॉलेज की खूबसूरती, पहली बात डायरेक्टर नहीं है हमारे यहाँ, डायरेक्टर दिल्ली में है। नहीं, अभी और तेज ताली बजेगी। डायरेक्टर दिल्ली में है, डिप्टी डायरेक्टर भी दिल्ली में है। तो डिप्टी डायरेक्टर दिल्ली में है तो किसी के पास तो चार्ज होना चाहिए, जिसके पास चार्ज है वो भी कॉलेज में नहीं है। तो ये इतना बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट, जो कि अगर हम देखें जो नॉर्म्स होते हैं कि 22 एकड़ का इंस्टीट्यूट होना चाहिए कोई भी कॉलेज, तो ये 22 एकड़ का जो कैंपस है ये हवा में बिना किसी गवर्निंग पर्सन के चल रहा है। इस कॉलेज का कोई नहीं है कि जो इसको बता सके कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। ये आज के समय में हमारे कॉलेज निया का हालत है कि कोई यहाँ पे इंचार्ज तक नहीं है। अगर किसी को कोई समस्या हो तो कोई नहीं है सुनने वाला कि आप किससे कहेंगे। बस ये है कि चलते जाइए, एप्लीकेशन लिखते रहिए, देखी जाएगी जब देखी जाएगी। तो ये हमारा नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट है, पूरे भारत में 4 ही नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट है, NIA जयपुर, BHU जामनगर और ये हमारा सुंदर सा निया मॉडर्न मेघालय। ठीक है।
My name is Julerine. I'm a student from College of Homeopathy. I'm a resident of Meghalaya itself, and here in this college we have admission of 50% all India and 50% locals, like northeastern students. Okay, and right now what is happening is that the seniors do not have a guide. They do not have a guide to guide them, because in every college there's a rule that the one studying PGs, they must have a guide. There should be some certain guidance for them in order for them to complete their course. Okay, and the second point is they have not been affiliated to the Northeastern Institute of NEHU, Northeastern University, and they have not gotten an affiliation, and it will be a waste
for coming. Myself Ashish Pandey, and I'm the student of BMS second prof. Sir, the basic problem over here we are facing right now is that we are 2 colleges, Ayurveda and Homeopathy, and in Homeopathy there are 8 PG seat right now, but this PG seat is not being affiliated from the NEHU since days also, till today also. So the first problem is that our PG seat for the Homeopathy is not affiliated. Second problem is that our PG interns, I mean our PGs, MD, those who are being serving over here since 1 year, they have not received any stipend till date also. And third problem is that the guide for any PG MD course. There should be a guide, but we don't all they don't also have the guide. They are on the hunger strike since 3 days. Their vitals are being unstable, and no one is taking any kind of assurance. They are not coming to here. They are not taking our words to the higher authorities, just letting them in their own condition. As you can see also that we, the students of the NIA, everyone is gathered over here. We are supporting them. We want that their problem should be resolved. Moreover, in both the colleges, there is also a concern of the teachers. There are less teachers in the different departments. We are also suffering through that things also. And as well as like you can see over here, these students like from the north and northeast, every place, they are coming over here. We are supposed to be learning in our colleges right now. We the interns and everyone should be working in their hospital. We are not supposed to be present over here, because this is the right time we should gather our education, and then tomorrow we can go and serve in the society. But the bad administration, the wrong leadership over there, the wrong decision making, just putting in such a situation, thriving us such a situation that we have no option. We never want that to do this, but now we have no option. That's why we are sitting over here. Thank you.